Buongiorno a tutti. Here we are in London, Lower Grave Street, Oliver Mare, and I want to talk to you today about my new rosé that finally has arrived from Sardinia. It took a long time for this to arrive, and it took a long time for me to search. This is a fantastic rosé. You can see the bottle is very nicely presented. It's got a little donkey design there because it's called Asinara, which means donkey, is the area where the wine is produced. And it's very nice label, very nice presentation. As you can see, it's very pink, it's very pale pink, is what we like. And I'm very fond of this wine. As you can see, the color is so pale. And this one is it's a Canonau, which normally is made with Canonau Grenache, like Mode de Provence Rosé are made with Grenache, which is equivalent of Canonau. But this has got a little blend of Merlot and Syrah, so it has that little bit of extra fruit, and it's very dry, beautiful on the nose. It's a very young approach towards making wine. With this canteen is making wine slightly differently, and there are more. They all have a lot of fruits, and this one is quite. It's got quite an explosive fruit in your mouth, and it's quite long. I love it, absolutely love it, and I invite everybody to come and try it, and you won't regret it. It's that brilliant that it's almost addictive. You know, this is drink so easily, very, very, very nice. And rosé is not a wine for connoisseurs, but it's wine for fun, and this is great fun to drink. So enjoy it. In our shop we're retailing at £16, and in the restaurant it's £38.50 for the bottle. And you know, with that I would say, please come and try. You won't be disappointed. And let me know if you think it's that great. Thank you. Salute.